Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something a little different. We have a haul video today. I have some Glitterbels products in here. This is a huge Glitterbels haul. I got like $300 worth of stuff in here. And we also have some Nail Heaven stuff. So let's just get started. So I have monomer. This is monomer in here. I think I got 2 of the 500 milliliters, so we don't care about that. And then got a bunch of powders, and there's probably more powders in here too. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is all the stuff I got. It's all listed here. And I'm also gonna swatch everything. Okay, we're gonna start with this box. Oh my gosh, it comes in a box. Okay, so I think this is Lavender Crush. Yes, this is Lavender Crush. And this is, which one is this? Cosmic Crush. Oops, it's not focused. Cosmic Crush. It's not going to do justice until I swatch it. Trust me. Apple Crush. The Crush colors are going to be the more fine. You can kind of see. Let's focus. They're going to be a little bit finer flakes that also have glitter in them. But the flake, do I have a flake in here? No, I don't have a flake in here, but I'll show you the other ones. The flake are the more chunky pieces of flake, and it's literally just flakes. There's no extra glitter. And this is Purple Jewel. I'm using that for my birthday set. I think I'm using this one too. Unicorn Crush. Oh no, I'm not, but this is Unicorn Crush and Pink Crush. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, like, we haven't even gotten to the swatching yet. You're gonna go crazy. So you can kind of see it's literally just all flakes. Like, that is it. And then this one is Parma Violet. Oh, this is a replacement for my Valentino lilac color because I hate that one. Haha. We hate you, Valentino. No, let me not say that. I'm sorry. Clear acrylic. Oh, this is glass slippers. This is porcelain cover. I think this one is a milky white. I don't only got one because I think I still have one more, but yeah. Okay, so here they are in all their glory. I love the lids. They're just so nice. I love you, Glitterbels. And here's the other one. Nice. Big ol' things of monomer and powder. Okay, let's move on to Nail Heaven. Okay, we're gonna do it this side because the other side has my address. Oh, my light. My bad. Okay. So when I ordered my stuff from Nail Heaven, I was like at checkout and I accidentally like just decided to process the order without putting in the coupon code that I wanted, which was really upsetting, but it was gonna be a big order anyway. Okay, so these are the stickers I got. Let's get in closer. Yes, so cute. I love these. These were like $1 each, I believe, so I was just like, let me get all of them. I don't remember ordering this one, but that's okay. It's still really cute. And then we got a bunch of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look at all this glitter. I'm going to cry. Okay, let's open it. It kind of smells good. I like when like companies spray stuff. I don't know. It's just, I like things that smell good. Okay. Oh. Okay, in here we have some iridescent foils. Probably a little bit hard to see. But yeah, I wanted to get these because of the trendy like iridescent nails that are going around. Yeah, definitely a little hard to see, but you get it, you get it. And then I got 2 acrylic powders, or glitter acrylic powders. This one is like a pink holographic fine glitter, and this one is a tealish color. I got this one to match a skirt that I have. So, yep. And then we have some loose glitter. This is Cinderella. I've used this on my channel before. I just had to get another one, you know, because I love it. And here we go, more nail stickers. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Okay. Got some flowers, those are the same. Oh wow, these are all the same. I don't remember ordering this many. You know what? It's okay. This order was placed a while ago. But anyway, these are so cute. Look at these. Okay, I think I do remember placing a bunch of orders for these. And then these are all the same, but so cute. I love these. These are the perfect butterfly stickers. Oh, I think, yeah, I remember. I got these because I wanted to do like milk bath press-ons. So nice. The packaging is also really cute. Okay. And then in here we have some loose glitters. Nail Heaven is known for their loose glitters. I absolutely love them. Okay, I got a bunch. Again, I got 2 things of passion. See, I didn't even get a chance to go through my order. Like, okay, this is Care Bear. Let's get in closer. There's lots of other stuff in here that you can't see, but we're gonna like dump it so you can see all of the glory. But it's so cute. Yeah, definitely hard to see right now. This is Passion. Okay, this smells good. What did they spray in here? This is Passion. I love this. I want to make like a acrylic powder with this. So cute. Some butterflies, again, like for my birthday nails. Love her. And then some bows. This is like a blush, but purple. Because I think they have a pink one that's called Blush Like This. Okay, this is Care Bear. There's some flowers and some hearts in here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Y'all, they be filling up their bags. Like, look, this bag is about to bust out the seams. You really get what you pay for. Like, I believe their glitters are like $4 each. These bags. Some are 3, some are 4, I think. But you get what you pay for. Look! Look at this, it's gonna bust. Okay, anyway, this is so cute. I want to make a glitter acrylic mix with this too. I mean, this is just everything. Okay, so let's get into the swatches. So I'm gonna put this cotton pad at the bottom of my monomer because I'm working with glitters. I saw this TikTok, it just soaked it up though, but I saw this TikTok where if you put a cotton ball in your dapping dish when you're using glitters, it won't, like the glitter just won't get everywhere in your brush and in your dish, and it's a lot easier to clean out. I'm gonna put a little bit more monomer in here. It's kind of wasteful because I use such a big piece, but it's okay. I just bought 2 big pieces of monomer, it's fine. So let's get started. Again, this thing is literally filled to the brim. I can't shake it. I can't do anything. Like, it is literally filled up. I'm not gonna do everything in real time. I'm only gonna do a couple things in real time just for funsies. So I'm putting it in the back of my swatch sticks. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I had wanted this powder for a long time. Like the first time I saw it, like last year or something, I had always wanted it. It's so beautiful. This is literally such a nice shade of purple. Purple is becoming one of my favorite colors. It's like my second favorite color now. So this is just like everything. Like, oh my gosh, let's get closer. Oh, yeah, yes, it's beautiful. And this hack is definitely working. Like, there's less glitter coming out on my paper towel than there would be normally. Okay, let's do the next one. Hey guys, I hope this isn't too long of a video for like a haul. I don't know. Personally, I feel like I would watch because like nobody cares about your opinion, but look, like I love Glitterbels and I love Nail Heaven Supply Store, and I am always purchasing things from both of these places, and I just want to put everybody on, like, if you are like doing your own nails, or you are on your nail tech journey, or whatever, you need somewhere to find good quality acrylics and nail supplies, you need to shop here. No, this is not sponsored, although I really wish it was. Like, I wish I could be like, yeah, my code is Sculpted by Soraya 10, use it at checkout. I wish I could say that, I really do, but I can't. It's getting really hot in here because I'm under a blanket because I'm using my headphones to do this voiceover. I don't have my mic. It's not my mic. I borrow it from my aunt. She's also a YouTuber, so she has a little professional mic that I borrow. But yeah, I'm putting a blanket over me so that I can get a good sound. It's getting really hot and my eyes are starting to burn now. Oh my gosh, look at this color. I really want to do some Avenged Sevenfold nails with like that or something from this haul, because I'm obsessed. My girlfriend got me listening to Avenged Sevenfold, and their album art is absolutely insane, and it's very inspirational, and it's just calling my name. Honestly, I would just like make some decals and slap it on some nails, but I can't just do that. I can't. I'm not all the way through their discography yet, but I'm banking on doing nails inspired by City of Evil. I love that album art. Look at this. Apple Crush, beautiful. Even Nightmare, like, just anything. I want to do it, so hopefully I will do that soon. So now that I'm done swatching the glitters, I just want to show you guys what my dapping dish looks like. There's not a lot of glitter in there at all. This trick, it does work. It really does. Now, it can get a little bit wasteful, but I mean, if you're not using glitter like every time, like fine glitter, then you'll be fine. It mainly just works for in between, like if you have different glitters and you don't want it to mix, or if you have like a solid color and you don't want it to mix. I don't know. But yeah, try it out. Hi, it's me again. I'm back. Again, not really sure what to say. Oh, I am sure. I was struggling for my life making this video. My drive got corrupted again. So, luckily I have a backup. But honestly, my patience with like technology is wearing very thin, so like if I end up like stopping YouTube, that will be the reason why. I'm just like an old lady when it comes to laptops and like software. I don't know anything about this crap. We're almost done with these swatches though. Look at the shimmer in there. I love this one. Okay, here they are, all the glitters. Screw the covers. The covers are their own thing. We don't care about them. We only care about the glitters. But I'm gonna show them in sunlight too, and they're gonna look so pretty. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. It's so beautiful. Like, this is what dreams are made of. Really, truly, like, I would just eat all of these. I want to eat them. I bet they taste very good. I didn't even realize video was about to end. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload again. Bye!